Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Millbrook local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a cheap Millbrook moving company just makes sense, and 3 Movers is the right option for you. The process of moving involves the tedious process of packing, loading, unloading, and unpacking. Doing it by yourself can be very stressful and time-consuming. With the right team helping you, it's much easier to move, no matter how far you need to go. Our company offers the following moving services. Packing services. We make the process of packing your goods relatively straightforward. Hiring us ensures that it is done with precaution and on time. Moving supplies. We have stocked various packing materials that we provide our clients. The packing materials are exceptionally customized to suit the nature of your goods. An on-time move. We strive to keep time during the moving process. Our movers are very professional and will not tolerate delays or cancellations. Upfront pricing. Once you contact us, ensure that you request a free price quote or other surrounding areas. Licensed and insured. We are a professional company you can trust to keep your things safe. If you're ready to relocate, we can help you go one state over or several states away. Our team is ready to make your move easier and less stressful. You don't have to worry about nearly as much when we help you with your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Millbrook moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.